Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI, is a critical part of Amtech's quality control process. It helps us quickly scan each completed assembly to ensure that the manufacturing process was completed as intended. When combined with physical inspection, we are able to ensure that every printed circuit board is delivered accurately to our customers. What makes Amtech's AOI unique is that it involves a 3D aspect that is fully integrated with our Amtech OS operating platform. Our AOI uses multiple cameras to look from all angles, and then relies on AI learning to create a three-dimensional image measuring down to the 1-micron level. With this new way of inspecting PCBs, we are able to look not only for things that traditionally are found, like polarity and part marking values, but also for aspects of manufacturing assembly that are more difficult to see with the naked eye, such as coplanarity, including BGAs or parts where components have non-visible leads, and inspecting for superior solder quality. With 3D AOI, Amtech is able to equip our employees with a better tool to ensure our customers receive the best possible product every single time.